Wagwan everybody, Lennox here from S123 Trader. This is the Friday, August 14th recap of the playbook that is sent out to all the members of the S123 Trader group for August 13th. Okay, so I'm just going to play a snippet from August 13th of the analysis of the US dollar futures index and what I saw setting up last night. So here we go. So check your news calendar. All right, US dollar futures index daily time frame. Still looking like we are kind of stuck in that channel that we looked at the other night. So looks like we're still inside that channel, heading to the downside right now on the US dollar. So let's drop to the 4-hour, take a closer look. And again, I'll draw the channel lines. So it looks like we're in this channel here, and we are now heading to the downside in the channel. So looking weak for the US dollar going into tonight's session on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, again, we would have a channel line here, channel line down here. We've moved to the upside, and now it looks like we're moving to the downside. So continued weakness, it looks like at this point in the US dollar. As you can see, the MACD is starting to turn over. The EMAs are starting to cross. We could have a continuation of this to the downside. So at this moment in time, weakness in the US dollar. The only other possibility here would be a move down and then a move to the upside. But right now, it looks pretty weak to the downside. Okay, so let's. All right, so that was a little snippet from last night's playbook. So let's see how the US dollar ended up. Let me just take this away. And okay, so this is live now, 4-hour time frame. We can see we did have a little bit of a move down. Let's go to the 1-hour where we can see it a lot clearer. Okay, so last night we were sitting at the location that is right in here. I'm just going to get my marker, which is just about to come up here. There it is. Okay, so we were sitting right in here, and my expectation was for price to move down. However, what you can see what transpired, they moved price up first to fake everybody to go long, especially in the major pairs, and then they dropped it down. Okay, so what that does, and I'll show you with Aussie US dollar, for instance. Okay, so Aussie US dollar on the 1-hour time frame, same type of thing. It's sitting in this area, and then they move price. Since they move price up, price would drop on Aussie US dollar, which gives us our 123 bottom that we're looking for, and then that's a great play to the upside for anyone catching that move. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Let's take a look at Euro US dollar, which is doing the exact opposite of the US dollar. So again, we were sitting at this point. The expectation would be for price to move up, but what they did was they dropped price down first, and then they moved price up. So again, an opportunity here, but on the US dollar, you'd have to be a little bit more patient and drop down to a lower time frame to catch that move. Okay, so you have to, for us, that's the move we're looking for, to take that to the upside. Okay, let's take a look at opposite USD CAD, for instance. Let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD, since the US dollar is strong and the CAD went weak, what happened was we had a 123 bottom, USD CAD pushing strong against a weak Canadian dollar. This is usually the opposite. If the US dollar is weak, the CAD, the USD CAD is going to go weak as well. But in this case, the CAD was very weak, so the USD was stronger than the CAD, and that's what happened there. Let's take a look at another one. USD Japanese yen. Okay, in this case, we were sitting up here last night. It formed a 123 top here. Now it's a little tough because it was kind of sliding sideways, but what happens here is the US dollar weakness against a strong Japanese yen, and this is what occurred. So the US dollar was very weak, Japanese yen was very strong, so this dropped against the Japanese yen, and that's a really nice move for anyone who caught that. Okay, so that's a look at what our members get to opportunities in the major pairs. So profitable trading to everyone. Enjoy the weekend. Be safe. We're done now. Thank you.